Good morning, third grade parents. About 12 or 13 of you asked for the paper copy to practice math facts with your child, so I wanted to show that to you and just review them for a moment. This is the paper copy that you'll be getting. There's 3 of them. The first one, you do your 5 times, then your 2 times, then your 10 times, and then your 9 times. And once that's finished, you turn in this sheet. So on this sheet, you'll notice all the count bys, 0 to 10. You'll notice the order we'd like them to practice. So we talk about 5 times first. Then they'll talk about their 2 times, then their 10 times, and their 9 times. So that would be the order that would work, although if you went out of order, it's not a big deal. There's going to be a lot of latitude here for you to make decisions for your child. Okay. This is due around the end of November, end of September, beginning of October. Again, there's some latitude leeway there because I'd rather have your child know their facts than be, worried and rushing through things and not really knowing what their multiplication facts are. You'll notice across the top there are 3 categories. There's the count bys, the multiplication, and the division. Attached to that page, when you turn the page, you will see here's the 5 times. There's the count bys, the mixed up multiplications, and the mixed up divisions. So these are the 3 categories. So as a parent, truly I don't need flashcards. I'm going to simply start by one evening asking my child all of these facts, the count bys. We recommend you do the count bys one night. The next night you do the count bys again. So I would simply say 1 times 5 equals, and they would say 5. 2 times 5 equals, they would say 10. And I will go down through the list. If they get stuck, I might wait for about 5 seconds and then give them the product. And then we'll remember that fact, and the next night we'll see how they do on that one. Once they have done their count bys, I'm going to sign, right down here at the 5s, I'll sign my first signature for the first evening, my second signature when we do the count bys a second time. Once we do that, we'll go over to the multiplication mixed up, and I will give that to them one night and sign, and the next night I'll do it again and sign, until I have done all 3 categories and there are 6 signatures. Then I'll go up to my 2 times and start again. I'll do the count bys one night, count bys another night, do my signatures. And then I'll do the multiplication, mixed up, 2 nights, and the division 2 nights. So each count by has 6 signatures. When each one of these, the 2s, the 5s, the 9s, and the 10s, have their 6 signatures, then this page is turned back into Mrs. Baker, myself, and I will give them the next 4 that they should work on. And that will be due toward the end of October, beginning of November. Your child can work on this at their leisure with you. There are no time limits or time parameters in terms of how fast they do this. They can count on their fingers. I'm more interested in a strategy at this point, that they know how to find the product. And I'm also more interested in your satisfaction with their progress. Right? So let me know if you have questions, and this will be coming home tonight.